Welcome back guys, SinisterGoblin here, how are you? Today is one pack day and I have here this Sun and Moon Burning Shadows booster pack. I know guys, the pull ratio at this set is not the best, is too hard to pull something good. But why not? Let's try. The score between lucky days and the unlucky days is 310. If we hit something good today, you can get the code. Three and 2. And we start with a Riolu. Cutie Fly. Dynamo. Please focus. Duskull, Inkai, Viper, Wiki, Wobbuffet, Reverse Holo Araconite, yes is a rare card, and the actually rare is a Butterfree non-holo. Okay guys, we managed to pull a Reverse Holo rare card, but it don't count as a lucky day. The score now is 311. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like. Also, you can find a subscribe button right here in this Pokeball if you want to support me. Thank you guys for watching, see you at the next video. Bye!